Spanish defense giant Indra has introduced VALERO, a cutting-edge airborne system designed for multi-role operations, from surveillance to precision strikes, built on the principles of cruise missile technology. As modern warfare shifts toward affordable, high-tech, and modular solutions, VALERO represents a major leap forward. At the heart of the system is the VALERO air munition, a jet-powered drone that can be launched from either a ground-based LSC launch system container, or mid-air from platforms like the Eurofighter Typhoon. Unlike traditional cruise missiles, the VAM is modular, reusable, and highly adaptable, capable of completing its mission and returning for redeployment. VAM's payload can be quickly swapped based on mission needs, carrying optical, infrared, or radar sensors for reconnaissance, or precision-guided munitions for strike missions. This flexibility reduces production costs and allows the same platform to be used across multiple mission types. Air launch capability enables the VAM to be deployed from outside enemy air defense zones, significantly increasing survivability and operational reach. The ground launch option supports rapid deployment from forward positions or remote locations. A key highlight: VALERO is built entirely with domestically produced components, enhancing supply chain security and supporting Spain's defense industry. According to Indra, it delivers performance on par with traditional cruise missiles, but at a fraction of the cost. The concept reflects lessons from ongoing conflicts like the Russia-Ukraine war, where low-cost, nimble, and decentralized drone systems have proven remarkably effective. Global defense manufacturers are taking note, rethinking the role of drones and modular weapon systems in future conflicts.